जहां एक तरफ दुनिया के बड़े से बड़े साइंटिस्ट और डॉक्टर्स कोरोना वायरस का क्योर ढूंढ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे फेजेस में बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं, वहीं पे वी हैव बाबा रामदेव एंड पतंजलि क्लेमिंग दैट दे हैव फाउंड द कोरोना वायरस क्योर। और तभी से शुरू हो गई है इस पर कंट्रोवर्सी, फ्रॉम नॉट टेकिंग द प्रॉपर परमिशंस टू द लैक ऑफ साइंटिफिक एविडेंस। अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग रेज्ड ऑन द क्रेडिबिलिटी ऑफ कोरोनिल। और ये खाली मेरा ओपिनियन नहीं है, आई आल्सो टॉक टू न्यूरो साइंटिस्ट एंड साइंस फैक्ट चेकर डॉक्टर सुमैया शेख हु टोल्ड मी व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद कोरोनिल।
Like he came out and said on TV that it's 100% cure of COVID. Now, most people will not go back and read that document. Now, we read it. As scientists, it was our job to go and have a look at it.
From our WhatsApp to our television screens, a lot of claims are being made that this is the wonder drug against coronavirus. But let me tell you why you should think twice before believing these claims. Patanjali has clearly violated many rules and regulations while launching this cure. As soon as they launched Coronil, Ayush Ministry issued an order to stop advertising and publicizing till such claims are duly examined. यानी कि इन क्लेम से पहले आयुष मिनिस्ट्री से परमिशन भी नहीं ली गई। According to a report, even Indian Council of Medical Research distanced themselves from these claims. और इसी के साथ आयुष मिनिस्ट्री ने पतंजलि से दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स सच एज सैंपल साइज, रिसर्च स्टडीज जैसी चीजें भी मांगी है। उत्तराखंड गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफ दिस कोरोनिल, लेकिन वहीं के लाइसेंसिंग ऑफिसर ने कहा कि इस मेडिसिन को लाइसेंस इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर, कॉफ और फीवर के लिए दिया गया था एंड नॉट फॉर कोरोना वायरस।
खांसी और बुखार इसके लिए उसको अप्रूव किया गया। इसके अलावा कोरोना के लिए हमारे द्वारा कोई उसका अप्रूवल नहीं दिया गया।
यानी कि एक और बहुत बड़ा झूठ। और अब आते हैं इसके क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स पर। अकॉर्डिंग टू पतंजलि, अबाउट 100 पीपल विद माइल्ड सिम्टम्स वर इंक्लूडेड इन दिस स्टडी। Half of them were given the Patanjali's kit, where half of them did not receive it.
It was a very small number of people, about 100 people, and that actually doesn't count to anything. When you do research in drugs for clinical trials, we generally get thousands of people in, and especially in a disease where there are so many variabilities.
इसका रिजल्ट ये रहा, इन 14 days people who received the medicine recovered, whereas 65% people who did not receive the medicine also recovered. But mind it, एक तो इतना छोटा सा सैंपल साइज और ऊपर से anyway people with mild symptoms recover from coronavirus in 14 days. तो इस स्टडी का साइंटिफिक बेसिस क्या है?
You're using 50 for the drug and 50 as a placebo or a no drug. That means those 50 people really reduced down to a small number where you cannot even say that this was just by a chance that they recovered, or they're going to recover anyway, or were they actually because of the drug? Because most people do recover by themselves anyway by that 14-day period, and that's what they're saying, that they had checked that 14 days after they recovered. A lot of people do, especially with the mild symptoms.
A newspaper report claims that when mildly symptomatic patients developed fever during the trials, they were administered allopathic medicine. So how can it be claimed that Patanjali's drug actually worked on patients? और दूसरी बात, ये स्टडी की गई नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज एंड रिसर्च, जो कि जयपुर में एक प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट है। The same newspaper report also claimed that Rajasthan government had no clue that such clinical trials were being done in Rajasthan. The study based on these trials has not even been peer reviewed. मैं आपको easy language में समझाता हूँ कि peer reviewed होता क्या है। In peer review, your research is studied and scrutinized by other scholars in the same field. इससे आपकी रिसर्च को credibility मिलती है, लेकिन इस केस में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया गया। अब समझते हैं कि इस कोरोनिल किट के अंदर क्या है। It has 3 bottles. It has bottles of Sarsory Rust tablets or DRS, a herb mixture tablet. Then a second bottle of herb mixture which is 2 part Giloy, 1 part Ashwagandha and 1 part Tulsi. And then it has a bottle of nasal oil drops. तो कोरोनिल की किट में ये तीनों चीजें हैं। अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ इनके फ्लॉज। 2 studies were referenced as the scientific evidence by Patanjali to prove the efficacy of the coronil kit. The research paper on Sarsory mice says that it has been studied only in asthmatic mice. यानी कि ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स तो छोड़ो, इस पर्टिकुलर हर्ब का टेस्ट कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्टेड एनिमल्स पर भी नहीं किया गया।
In the coronil kit, one of the bottles is something called DRS, and it's another herbal mix, and that is actually tested not in COVID patients, not in animals with COVID. They've been tested in asthmatic mice. So mice that have been induced asthma in the lab.
Then there is a research paper on Giloy which is in the second bottle of coronary kit. The paper Patanjali has submitted for this has a study of Giloy done through computer simulation. यानी कि ये भी स्टडी किसी भी ह्यूमन और एनिमल पर नहीं की गई, ये स्टडी खाली एक कंप्यूटर सिमुलेशन के थ्रू की गई.
So that one herb out of 3 herbs, Giloy, that one hasn't been done in animals or humans. That's only been done as a computer simulated model. So it's like a simulation where they could see there could be drug interactions with Giloy. So it's not really an evidence at all. What they've been saying as clinical trials are not real clinical trials, where there's no evidence, and there's no preclinical evidence to suggest that they might actually be working.
तो देखा आपने कि इस क्योर में कितने सारे फ्लॉज हैं. इसके बावजूद हाउ बाबा रामदेव कैन क्लेम दैट इट इज 100% efficient against coronavirus. With so much promotion all around, how many people will actually go back and look for the evidence of this study? Shouldn't action be taken against the company and its owner for publicizing a drug which has not even been tested properly? Who will be responsible if people reject the scientific treatment and go for this herbal treatment and then they die?
Like he came out and said on TV that it's 100% cure of COVID. Now, most people will not go back and read that document. Now, we read it as scientists. It was our job to go and have a look at it. I mean, and then at the end of the day, end of the conversation, he also said, then people don't need allopathy treatment at all when you take this. And I think this is the most dangerous thing to put at.